Mana Rangatahi is a 6-day wānanga that I designed, and it's a culmination of all of my learning in wānanga. A te nā koutou, a te nā koutou, a te nā koutou. Kato. Kia ora everybody, that was a real flash way of saying church, what's up, and welcome. Welcome to Mana Rangatahi. To all the OGs, to those that have been here for a while, and in particular to all the newbies. This here everyone, this is our wānanga resource book. You want to say sure, Pop? Sure. My wānanga style that I got taught by was hard and boring. Yeah? And hard and boring only works for some type of people. And so what I decided to do was make it fun, exciting and relevant, so that what we were teaching you sticks for longer. Hence, Mana Rangatahi is the latest version of all the different wānanga that I've been running for about the last 25 years.
Tui a kiraro.
Tui o te aroha, ki te ngākau o te tangata.
Kia ora mai teiwi, ko Ngāti Nepia tōku ingoa.
E tau ngā pīkaka ki te kai, te rangatira. Rau mai rā, mā tātou tēnei puaki kā meha meha, e tau whiro, e rau pī, o ngā rā e heke nei. E teiwi, rau mai, haere mai, ki Mana Rangatahi, rua mano, rua tekau. Ko tārei pē tōku ingoa.
Welcome to Mana Rangatahi 2020. Mana Rangatahi is a cultural development program. This is our 11th wānanga.
Reheko!
Are you ready for A-O-R-E-R-E?
All of that.
We run this game.
All of that.
We run this game.
Oh no 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 aurere.
Oh no 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 aurere.
Hey, mahuna.
We ain't the same, cause all of that we run this game.
Yes.
Hey!
Tell them for this one, lad.
Ha! Mahuna! Ha! Mahuna!
I think that everyone should give it a go. I think it was really fun trying new things and meeting new people.
Having something that you can come to twice a year where you have those moments constantly is something that's really cool, and I think we're very privileged to have that.